In this video, we will be getting an understanding of lowest common multiples, which is shortened to LCM. So, let's get started. The lowest common multiple is the lowest or smallest multiple that a set of given numbers has in common. Now, to find the lowest common multiple of a set of numbers, we will follow 3 steps. First, we need to find the first 10 multiples of the given set of numbers. Next, find the multiples that these numbers have in common. And finally, select the lowest multiple based on the common ones that you listed. Let's work through our first example. Here we need to find the lowest common multiple of 2 and 5. First, we start by finding the first 10 multiples of each number. Let's start with the multiples of number 2. They are 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. Next, we will find the first 10 multiples of 5. They are 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. Now, we can move on to step 2, which is to find the common multiples between 2 and 5. These are 10 and 20. Finally, we move to step 3. This is to select the lowest common multiple. In this case, it would be 10. Therefore, 10 is the lowest common multiple of 2 and 5. Let's work through another example. Here we need to find the lowest common multiple of 3 and 7. Remember, we start by finding the first 10 multiples of each number. Let's start with the multiples of 3. These are 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on. Next, we will find the multiples of number 7. These are 7, 14, 21, 28, and so on. Now we can move on to step 2 and find the common multiples between 3 and 7. The only one here is 21. Therefore, the lowest common multiple of 3 and 7 is 21. It is vital that you understand what lowest common multiples are and how to use them. This is because they will come in super handy when dealing with fractions or solving equations. When you need to simplify fractions, then you will need to understand how to calculate the highest common factor of the denominators, and then from there, how to simplify the fraction. If you would like to learn more about highest common factors, what they are and how they work, then check out this video next.